and welcome to Emilio's food review. Today we will be eating Angus Cheeseburger Order Up Flame Broiled Angus Beef Patty with American cheese on a bun. This was a frozen meal that I put in the microwave, not me, someone else. I don't know if they would like to be named. This actually looks kind of good. Yep, slices nicely. It's a little bit gooey. As you can see, there's not a lot of tight. Oh wow, that's slimy. Yeah, on the slime meter, I'm giving that a 10. On the gross meter, I'm giving that a 7. Let's take the first bite. This is really messy. It tastes like just a regular cheeseburger you get at your nanny's house, but you can't eat it because your dad went over and you start crying. But it tastes like those Jimmy Dean ready meals. It's nothing that spectacular. Yeah, okay. I'll give Angus Cheeseburger Order Up Flame Broiled Angus Beef Patty with an American cheese on a bun 9 out of 10.